Welcome to the Raw! We are the burglars. We're going to be taking down McKendrick Museum for this dentist guy. He wants a diamond, a really big one. So this is the blueprints, right?
There is no shortcut.
We start right here. Right? We run up, we go here. And we pick this lock, and then we bang, bang, bang anybody in here sometimes. And then we run down here. We get in here. And we're in these buildings down here.
And then we're like,
yeah, mostly. And then there's these boxes and random places throughout the museum that we gotta get so that we can take down these stupid lasers in these doors right here. And once we get those lasers, we get through, and then there's a stupid door that has a time lock on it. We gotta get past the time lock, right? And we get in here, and there's some guards here, and here. And then we go around. We go down here.
then we get in, and we're like,
through this other time lock. Then there's another door. We gotta go and there's a box here. We gotta get in the box.
And then we go,
It'll go green. It'll go green, and it'll show us some weird path, probably like, this. And we gotta get over here, and then open this thing where there's a big Buddha man over here. And then take it back out, and all the way out, and then to our van thing, and drive down out,
Yeah, let's go.
Now.
Wow. So, he's John Wick. I am regular Dallas at the moment. There is Guardman. And there is camera. There is also Guardman on porch of museum. What's why? Alright, you ready? Wah!
I don't know what happened. Probably just old batteries in this thing.
We're the ninja burglars. Throw him in the corner.
Dashed in my head.
Nobody in lobby.
Dagobah.
Only one civvy in hallway. Wait for her to turn down hallway. No, downstairs she is going.
Get her with this key card we must get.
Two we need. Behind guard we must go. Oh, another guard there is. I have wad past him.
I'll go this way.
Down
Security guy. Camera guy I found.
Camera guy. Get camera guy.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Walk! Man coming your way!
Wow.
Shoot him.
I don't know what happened.
You get
Might hit
door.
the button without knowing it.
Getting door I am.
That will make 3 camera guys, so we can only have 1 more slip-up.
We have wad.
Cameras are out of action. Should make things easier.
I think I maybe got some water on the radio.
Water on the radio. Very, very interesting.
Alright, bag this guy that's right out the door, and then place a body bag dispenser down, and then we'll...
Very close. Man did not see. There you are.
Body bag case right here.
Oh shoot, another guard, don't.
We'll have to wah past him.
Yes. Free it is. Bound box I have.
Lucky we have gotten. No guards we have passed.
Only 1 more we can take.
Box hacked. C428. Keep going.
Downstairs I am going.
Find boxes we will. 4 we
Yes.
need to disable lasers.
Yes.
No civvy.
Not yet. There's civvy. Taking back room we will.
Down.
Looks like the curator's basement office.
Key card I have.
We need one of those for
Follow
the time
me.
lock doors.
Need one you do too.
Yes. Because of 4-layer security.
Yes. Guard down here, I think. Another civvy. Take that one. Get key card.
Get down. Stay down.
Tied hands I have, keycard I have. Take to back room, I will.
Look out. Camera.
Camera guy, did we take out? Yes, we did. Now, security guy, probably back here. Be careful, guy.
Come here. Come now. Come with your friend.
Yes, security guard is there. No box, so we must go back upstairs.
You two must be sisters. You look very much alike. One is red-haired, one is blonde-haired. You have much to read. You shall be okay down here.
Yes, back upstairs we must go.
Find other boxes we need.
Yes. Got that one we have. That is number one.
Wah!
Oh shoot! Wah! Ooh, found another I have. Wah!
We are ninja. Ninja birds.
Burglar. This is number
Burglars.
2. Wah!
Are we really burglars, though? We've taken down a few men.
Do another.
Burglars. Don't cause any
Birds.
harm.
Maybe. Wah!
Confusing dilemma this is.
Yes, wah! A guard I passed. Another box I have found.
Nice loot. These
One
displays.
more to go.
Some cheap counterfeit crap too. Look for alarms. That'll mark the good stuff.
Picking lock iron.
Laser doors those are. No box here.
Hiding it is.
It's hacked. Good. Find another.
Boxes everywhere.
Must find them. Must everywhere.
Many doors we need to unlock.
Many paths.
Nothing behind here
cross.
but a stone block. Upstairs we must go. Door I have
One
seen.
more there is. Find it we must.
High
Oh,
voltage
there
this
it
is. Boxes in room.
Squawk! Do it!
Wah! Last one I have pleasure of breaking with my talons.
Making it back I am. Except guard in way, we must wait.
Get inside.
This way we must go.
Look out.
Alarm
Yes.
off display cases. You want to snatch some extra goodies? Now's the time.
No, wrong way you have gone. It is right here.
Oh. Yes. Guard I must wait for though.
Guard.
Two guard. Go, 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 go. Yeet. Wah! Wah!
The Mongols were great warriors. Would love to see
Steady
them
time
act.
lock I am. Wah!
Couple of
Remember,
robots.
only one
Alright.
more we can take.
Gonna need
In
key cards to go
emergency.
through. These rent-a-cup security won't have them, but I'm sure the civilian researchers will. Get them to keep those cards up.
Wah!
Wait.
Payday must be soon. Glass cutter I do not have. Minute we must wait. Enjoy black feathers on back of John Wick. Strap is broken yet somehow on back. Guard there is. Tab back in, my brother.
Guard.
Wah! Me being a bird was eating popcorn and got kernels stuck in mouth.
Get a key card and swipe it through the time locks. Check series for cards.
Camera.
Wah! Wait for him, we must.
Careful.
When gate goes up, we go in.
Stare
Look
at
out,
wall
guard.
for spy camera, he will. 11
Ah!
seconds left on timer.
9, 8, 7, 5, squawk!
4, 3, 2, 1.
One,
Oh, Civvy, run! Ah!
the time lock you must, brother.
Yes.
Be careful of guard you must. Wah, free it is as of now.
Watch out.
Guard over there. Beware.
Card I will use.
Get back here we must and wait.
Wait another minute. To enjoy this broken yet functioning strap on John Wick's back.
There are the 3 guards.
Guard. Look out. Guard.
Squawk. Squawk. We are almost there, brother.
Yes. All according to
Squawk.
plan.
Our final squawk.
Careful.
They'll never know what hit them. So, brother, in the next room, there is a bunch of pressure plates. Will you walk across them, or will I?
I will take it down, and you shall walk across.
Got it.
Watch out. Guard.
But
Tell
wait
me
for
the way
time
you
lock.
must.
Guard.
But once I have disabled, we must wait for the time lock.
Yes.
Guard. Careful.
There is a guard coming right there, I see.
Look out. Guard.
Standing in front of stupid time lock.
Hopefully he come this way, he doesn't. Oh no, guard this way, Nick. This could be
Look
bad
out.
for
Camera.
predicament.
Watch this door open right in front of his stupid face.
Other one has left.
It will go,
Look out.
and he will notice nothing.
Because... Oh, oofty is. Smarty
Watch
is.
out. Guard. Guard. Careful.
And another one stands right by it and notices nothing.
Watch out. Guard.
Wait for him to move. Do not take him out. Need all resources. We must. We might have to take one out on our way out.
Guard. Careful.
Squaw! Go! Oh no, another one! Squaw! He's probably gonna take his place. Squaw!
Rotation has
Squaw! Wait! Squaw! Take it out.
Guard. Careful.
Squaw. In through the door to the last layer of security.
Squaw! Hurry, please.
Here it is.
Take it.
But step carefully. Those
Take it
floor
out,
tiles
I
are
will.
pressure sensitive. Don't step on them. You'll have to make a safe path across. Use the circuit box over there.
Now wait for time lock we must.
Okay, the lights in the circuit box correspond to the tiles. Use them to guide yourselves across. No one can step on a wrong tile.
Oh wait, that's your path across?
Yeah, that's my path.
Oh, and you have that time to do it. Alright, you got it.
Okay, so
Okay. 2 on that one. Right. Up. 1, 2, 3. Left. Up. 1, 2, 3. Left. Left again. Left again. Up 1. Alright.
You're across.
follow the same path if you went over here.
Yes, hurry. Follow the same path, please. Hurry. No, just wait. I'll activate it again.
If we can.
Alright, that's it. Yeah, I can activate it again. You'll have to take a different path this time. Alright, I'll tell you, don't step on it yet, but just, like, go where it should be. Alright, the very edge. Very right. Yeah, there you go. Okay, go 1.
Are you sure it's my right or your left?
Yeah, it's that one right there. Then another. Then another. Then another. Then your left 1. Your left again. Up 1. Up 1 again. Your right. Up 1. Just keep going up. Alright, now we have to escape.
Camera over there.
Just wait, there's a guard coming.
Camera.
Guard there. Go right. Go right. Oh shoot, never mind. Oh. Ah! Mistaken I have.
Look out.
Ah! There is one right there. Stand in front of the door, he will. Wait, we must.
Watch out. Guard. Guard.
quickest way out is probably through the staircase. He is moving. Go the same way he is, we will. But there is that guard behind totem pole we must wait for. Hopefully he go upstairs too. Eat. Don't stand in front of. Okay, go right. Oh wait, no, wait.
Look out, guard.
Squawk. All right. Yeah, go left. Hurry. And there's that guy right there, so beware.
Camera over there.
You think we can get behind him?
Watch out, guard.
No, just wait.
Guard,
Unless that guy.
careful.
If that guy starts detecting us, we'll go that way. But all
Everywhere. Watch out.
He
guard.
moved.
right, go. We got this. This is the final stretch, boy. He is looking over balcony. Beware. I will keep watch to see if any others come this way.
Remember, slow I can move, run I may not.
No, wait, we must, brother. Okay, hurry.
Guard, careful.
Left. Careful, there is another guard out here, I think. Yes,
Look out.
there is a civilian there. Go outdoor, we will. Oh, guard. Go other way.
Guard there will be, though.
No, there is not yet.
We saw.
Oh, guard.
Robbed a whole bunch of old Roman.
There's 2 guards out there to your right also.
Watch out.
Yes, there is. Careful, get behind something.
Okay, he went in the room.
Oh, civilian behind us. Go. That way. And try and get to a staircase as soon as possible.
Exit.
Exit right here. Yes! We're making it, boys! You want to go out front door, we must go. So this way you must follow. Guard there may be.
Don't go so fast. Slow, I only... Oh, wait, I can run with the diamond?
Yeah.
I can run. I didn't think I could run.
Squawk! Sissin! Squawk! Be careful, security guard may come.
Is it clear?
Yes. Go. Oh shoot, what was that? Okay, go. Yes! Woo!
Squawk!
He's a formidable. You managed it. And that impresses me more than you know.
The dentist
Your
is
reward.
impressed.
Enjoy it. From me soon.
Watch we have come. This was a good day for burglars.
Yes.
From Dagobah.
Money we made. Wow.
Yes.
Dallas I am.
Another 500 perk points I have.
Yes.
The end of our story, this is.
Yes. And so we end with the Bird Gang pulling off the diamond heist with no one noticing. Wow!